Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, you will find out how you can create music with Suno AI's free plan in 2025. If you're a musician or looking to create music with AI, then here's how you can use Suno AI's free plan to create music. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Google browser or any browser that you're using and search for Suno AI. Go ahead and click on the first link that pops up on the main website. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up or sign in with your account. So click on Sign In from the left bar menu. You can use your phone number to continue or just sign up with your Apple account, Discord, Facebook account, Google or Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to go and click on Create from the left bar menu, and this is where you can create music in Suno AI. There are multiple modes like simple and custom. In simple, you can describe your song, add in audio or lyrics from these options if you want, and choose if you want instrumental or not. Also choose the inspiration from these options. You add as many as you want. In custom, you can add audio, persona, and also paste the lyrics of your song. Choose for instrumental here. You can add in the styles. Again, add as many as you want to make the music that you want to scroll down. And you can add the song title and what workspace you want the song in, so you can keep your projects organized. Also click on this drop-down option from advanced options like excluding styles and adjusting these options. Choose whatever suits the best for you and click on the Create button from the bottom to create your song with Suno AI. Once done, you can click on the Remix option from the bottom right corner to remix your song, like cover, extend, reuse your previous prompt, or adjusting the speed. You can go in the library option from the left. This is where all your projects will be stored, and that is how you can create music with Suno AI for free in 2025. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.